We'll continue tracking that story as political reactions pour in on our exclusive report. But moving on now to the crackdown against black money hoarders. Nationwide raids by agencies like the Income Tax Department as well as the Enforcement Directorate continue to catch hold of those who've been hoarding cash in such difficult times, and that too in new currency. In one of the significant developments yesterday, the CBI arrested a Reserve Bank of India official for allegedly helping in money laundering and even booked officials of 4 major banks. Yes, a detailed report.
Over 250 crore rupees recovered in nationwide raids in the last 1 month. And the crackdown on black money hoarders has further intensified. The CBI has arrested an RBI official, K. Michael, for allegedly helping money launderers siphon off 1.51 crore rupees. It is alleged that he was aided by State Bank of Mysore officials.
It was reported by the investigating agency that he was recorded to be present in a bank branch where this kind of transaction was happening. Having known about that, the concerned employee has been suspended.
CBI also arrested a Hawala operator in Bengaluru, KV Virendra, over the seizure of rupees 5 crores in new notes. Sources say that officials of 4 banks, ICICI, State Bank of India, State Bank of Mysore and Kotak Mahindra, have been booked in the incident for laundering of black money. ED also recovered rupees 93 lakhs in new currency from 7 alleged middlemen in Karnataka. ED carried out a sting to capture the launderers with officials posing as customers. People were also held in Mumbai after rupees 33 lakhs were seized in 2 separate cases in Navi Mumbai and Thane. An individual with almost 8 lakhs in new notes was arrested from Rajiv Chowk in the national capital. Gujarat police also chanced upon almost rupees 20 lakhs at a businessman's house in Vadodara. Almost rupees 13 lakhs of the recovered cash was in new currency. While the common man waits in serpentine queues for cash every single day, this enormous cash being recovered from these people exposes loopholes and leaks in our system.
The RBI is now monitoring each and every transaction from the bank, so much so that banks independently now have formed their own task force which will be reviewing the amount given from each bank to accounts and to account holders.
With Devina Gupta, Bureau Report, India Today.
Let's go across to Parveena Purkayashta, who now joins us live from the national capital. Good morning, Parveena. A series of raids really by the Enforcement Directorate as well as the IT department across India. And it really shows a shocking trend, doesn't it? That while we're talking about demonetization to counter black money, several of these hoarders have been found with wads of the new 2,000 rupee notes, which clearly shows that there's some sort of a loophole in the system that needs to be plugged.
Absolutely. Good morning, Akshita. We see that even before, this the seizing of cash has added to this entire battle of fighting black money. There's another layer of complexities which is added to it. And what we see on ground is people are facing the brunt of it because these are the people who are standing long in queues in the national capital, braving the winter chill. Early morning from 5:30 they are waiting, or even we see at 1 a.m. at night they are standing, and let's go and hear from few people as to what do they think. It's almost a month, over a month now. How does it feel? People from far-flung places have come to central Delhi to get some cash out of ATM. Sir, आप बोल रहे थे आप बहुत दूर से आए हो और 1 महीना हो गया, आपको दिक्कत हो रहा है?
हाँ जी, लेकिन अब प्रॉब्लम जो है सॉल्व होती जा रही है। मैं जो है नॉर्थ दिल्ली से आया हूँ, अशोक विहार से। मुझे यहाँ आके कैश मिल गया। लाइनें भी छोटी है, ज़्यादा बड़ी लाइनें भी नहीं है। ठीक है, मैंने कैश निकाल लिया। ये है 15 से 20-25 मिनट में नंबर आ जाता है।
ठीक है, अभी ठीक है। आप बताइए सर, अभी सुबह से आप लाइन पे लगे हो, आप उधर से अभी आए हो, टाइम लग रहा है, कैसे अभी आपको लग रहा है प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो रहा है ना? 1 महीने बाद क्या है स्थिति?
प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो रहा है, हमें पैसे मिल रहे हैं। वैसे हम यहीं पे रहते हैं, सीपी में ही। वैसे पैसे अब लाइन क्यू कम हो रहा है, वैसे पहले से बेटर है।
Akshada, as far as central part of the Delhi is concerned, things looks eased out and come out, but still what we will see that, we have been reported from different parts of the Delhi that serpentine queues is something which we have been seeing for a month, and over a month now which is seen. This is just 8:30 or 9 in the morning we see this queue. This will definitely go longer as the day progresses, but the seizing of cash and the insufficient cash has been the keyword throughout. For now it looks it's eased out, but as the day progresses there are many areas we see out of 10 ATMs or out of 20 ATMs only one ATM work, and the problem still remains that insufficient cash or cash running out before time, and they do not have, in several banks and several people, officials who are involved in corruption remain the problem, and people bear the brunt of it.
Absolutely, and that's the cruel irony, isn't it, Parveena, that the Aam Aadmi is waiting out there in queues and we're looking at these black money holders with huge amounts of the new currency. Thanks for joining us with those details this morning. We're cutting across to some breaking news coming in.